Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to be a host on bigolive. If you'd like to become a host on bigolive so that you can get paid from your viewers, send you gifts, and as well as receive payments from bigolive directly, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your bigolive application from your app drawer. There are two ways to become a host on bigolive. The one way is to directly go live and earn from gifts. The other way is to become an official host and paid with salary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go directly live and start your broadcasting and become a host on bigolive. From your bigolive homepage, go to the blue button at the bottom of the screen and tap it on. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see all of the options from where you can work with. Select any one live option from the menu. You can start with multi-guest live. Simply start a live video, host an audio live, and also play a game and broadcast. Let me select the live option from this page. Before going live on bigolive, you can go to the top of the page and add a title to chat for your bigolive broadcast. Let me just type in just testing today. Now select the audience from your live broadcast where you can see the public drop down. Simply tap it on and select the audience. You can either set it to public so that everyone can view on bigolive. If you'd like to invite certain people, then you can go and tap on the key room option. Here you can set a key that people will need in order to enter your room. Let me just type in a random keyword over here and tap on save at the top right. Now you can simply copy the link of your key right here by tapping on the copy link. Send it to your friends. If you'd like to broadcast in private, simply tap on the private option and tap save. Now you can change a cover photo for your live broadcast. Tap on change cover, select a picture from your gallery, adjust the picture like how you'd want it to appear and tap save. And there you have changed your cover for your live stream. If you'd like to mention any tag, tap on the select tag drop-down and select a tag from the options. You can also select multiple tags at a time. After you're done, tap save. Now, if you'd like to use any kind of a filter for yourself while live streaming, then tap on this icon over here at the bottom left. Once you do that, choose a filter for yourself. You can also go ahead and smoothen your skin by tapping on the skin option. Choose a filter or any kind of a change that you'd like to make. And after you are done, finally tap on the go live button. Wait until your broadcast starts and there you are, a host of a particular live stream on bigolive. To end your live streaming, tap on the cross button at the top right and in the pop-up tap on quit broadcast. That is how you'll be able to go live and become a host on bigolive. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.